The financial industry is undergoing a profound transformation, where big data and technology are reshaping the future of decision-making. As a world-leading institution, the LSE stands at the forefront of this shift. The MSc in Accounting and Data Analytics equips students with strong foundations in accounting, valuation, and investing, combined with immersive training in data analytics, AI, machine learning, and predictive modeling.
Our students build a strong technical foundation, including programming skills that allow them to tackle complex problems in accounting and finance. They then progress to more advanced modules such as financial statement analysis and valuation, forensic accounting analytics, and accounting for mergers and acquisitions, applying data analytics techniques to identify mispriced securities, to detect corporate fraud, and to advise on complex deals.
At LSE, our learning is hands-on. Our group projects use live financial data and high-stakes presentations that will strengthen both your technical expertise and your soft skills.
Our graduates will be prepared to lead in investment banking, asset management, private equity, and audit and advisory firms, shaping decisions with data-driven insights.
Through business cases and live data projects, students develop the rare ability to combine financial expertise with analytical rigor, a skill set the global firms are actively seeking.
Students gain access to LSE's global alumni network and career events, unlocking access to industry leaders and opportunities to the most competitive accounting, finance and advisory roles. And with our campus in the heart of London, students study steps away from world-leading banks, consultancies, private equity firms and hedge funds that shape global finance.